So guys, in this video we will continue the topic which was left in the last session, that is tokens. In the last video we have studied keywords, identifiers and the constant. In this video we are going to study operators, symbols and the string. So here operators. The symbols which are used to perform logical and the mathematical operations in a C program are called as operators. The operators are of three types: unary operator, binary operator and the ternary operator. The operator that require one operand are called as unary operator. The operator that require two operands are called as binary operator. And the operator that require three operands are called as ternary operators. So these are the 8 types of operators. So arithmetic operators. These are the operators which is used for performing basic operations in the mathematics, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, modular division and the division. As it required two variables for processing, it is called as binary operator. These arithmetic operators generate three arithmetic operations: integer arithmetic operation, real arithmetic operation and mixed mode arithmetic operation. So what is integer arithmetic operation? When both the operands are of integer type and the result will be of integer type, then this is called as integer arithmetic operation. Real arithmetic operation: when both the operands are of real type and the result will become real type, then this is called as real arithmetic operation. And mixed mode arithmetic operation: when any one operand will be real type and other will be of integer type and the result will be either real or integer, then this is known as mixed mode arithmetic operation. Now assignment operator. This operator is used to assign value to the variable. Equals to is used for assignment operator that uses to assign the value on its right to the left side of the variable. The syntax is variable equals to value semicolon. Now relational operators. This type of operator used in expression to compare two quantities. These are the operator and the meaning of these operators. Logical operator. The operator which combines two or more relational expression called as logical operator. Example: logical and, logical or, logical not. And these are the operators. Bitwise operator. In C, it has special operator for manipulation of data at bit level. This operator uses for testing bits or shifting them right or left. These are the operators and the meaning of this operator: bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, left shift, right shift and the ones complement. So now conditional operator. C uses two types of conditional operator: question mark and the colon. This is the syntax of this conditional operator. Now increment and decrement operator. In a C language, plus plus is called as increment operator, that is to increase the value in an operand by 1. Same for minus minus, that is decrement operator to decrease the value from operand by 1. Special operator. Special operators are comma operator and the size of operator. The comma operator. The comma operator permits two different expressions to link together. The expression is evaluated from left to right if comma operator is used. The syntax and the example of special operator is given. Now size of operator. The size of operator is compile time operator, and when used with an operator it runs number bits. The operator occupies the operand size. Operand may be variable, constant, or data type. The example syntax and the example of size of operator is given here. Now strings. The string in a C programming language is actually a one-dimensional array of character which is terminated by null character. Example: char text equals to hello. Here each letter in the word hello is a character, like H is a character, C is a character, and the group of this character is known as string. So guys, we will study in detail about this operator in our next videos. Thank you.